arriving at the scene. See, apparently his four-wheel drive broke. That ain't too bad. Shit. Well, I got some zip ties in the back. We're gonna give it a shot. I'll back up to you. What we came up with, the old zip tie toe strap.
You lost my pin.
Oh, I got
He dropped it.
Oh, in the water?
Yeah.
Find it?
I found it.
Alright, hook it up. You can just hook it up on the.
Alright.
If this don't get it out, I don't know what will. Got it. Looks like about 4,000 zip ties will pull out a truck. I mean, it wasn't stuck that bad, but all right. So the zip tie rope ended up working really well. We're gonna show you it's nothing broke. Everything's good on it. She worked like a dream. Ready for the next recovery. And anyway, now we're gonna, next video, we're gonna be doing kind of a tug of war. We're going to start with maybe a four-wheeler and a mule, and then
we're going to try and break it.
Yeah, we're going to try and break this little sucker, since, I mean, we already pulled a truck out. I mean, it wasn't stuck that bad, but we put some pretty good stress on it. You could hear it making noise, so we're going to give it another whirl and hook it up to some different vehicles and do tug of wars with it. So stay tuned for the next video. Alright, so after we pulled the trucks out with the zip ties and they didn't break, now we're going to have a little tug of war. The guys had the great idea to put together some vehicles over here, so luckily we got some more zip ties. So we are going to hook this little hot rod bicycle up to the John Deere tractor. So here's your zip ties. Y'all hook them up, and may the best man win.
What is this? 8, 10? Alright. Don't need that many. I probably need like 2. 2 on each one?
I don't know, with all that torque you might need more.
Okay.
Don't hook it to the wheel, or hook it under the seat. Maybe?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, that way it'll get caught in the tire.
Yeah, that's a horrible idea. Wait, where is yours going to be? Is it going to be low?
No, your
wheels, bro.
that's your best bet, is hooking it right there.
Do it to his training wheels.
Oh, there's the old gravy. Man, I'm not talking about you, don't worry.
So you're talking about my butt.
Hey Hagen, what's going on? Yeah, we're gonna hook these two suckers together and see who wins. Y'all ready to go? Y'all hooked up? No. All right. All right, Matt, you're driving the tractor. I'll fold the armrest back so you don't break them. Yeah, we don't have as much money to replace that with like whistling diesel. All right, Tristan, you ready?
Oh yeah.
All right, let me back up.
Give us a countdown.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
It won't go.
Are you in gear?
Yeah, I'm in gear.
Are you in high or low?
Apparently he gave me a pull. No, it won't go.
Matt, get off of it. Maybe you're too heavy. No, but just press it with your hand and see if it'll go. Yeah, I think you.
All right, TR, switch me. I'm too fat. All right. Driver switch.
Yeah, it was user error there. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah, where are we going to? I think keep on going. Maybe we ought to get Addy on that thing to show y'all how to do it. Is it in high or low? Put it in low, into 1. Oh, now she's going. All right, we're gonna give the W to the John Deere, saying that all the torque that this bicycle was putting out made it flip over backwards twice. Matt, how do you feel?
I got fell in my ass.
All right, great video, guys. We're gonna give the W to the John Deere. I think it.
John Deere coming through for the win.
Yeah, it's got a lot more torque. And alrighty, we're gonna call that a video. Alright, so the John Deere tractor made it out first place last time, so we went ahead and bumped it up a little bit. We got the lawn tractor, which is also a John Deere, and the Kawasaki Bayou, a little 220, and we're gonna have a little tug of war. Whoever gets pulled over the mound first loses, so enjoy.
Alright, everybody getting ready. First one to be pulled over the dirt pile in the middle loses. Ready? Go! Bayou died. Looks like an easy win for the John Deere. John Deere came through.
Round number 2.
And the strap broke.
All right, upon further inspection, the strap is just fine. It was just how we attached it to the lawnmower, the little straps that we had, the zip ties we had going through right here. Just a little too sharp right there. So we need to rehook and go again, but it's a pretty fair little tug of war. Got some little ruts down here. So we'll give it another try. All right, here we go. Round 2. Tristan is driving the John Deere. Matt is driving the Kawasaki Bayou. All right, they're ready to go. Hold on. I'm going to count down. 3, 2, 1, go. They killed it. All right, y'all pull it tight. All right, that's good right there. Hold it. All right. All right, go. Well, we had another little malfunction. The rigging broke again. Alright. What's up, Hagen? What the hell are these guys doing out here? We got a 220 Bayou with a zip tie tow strap versus a John Deere D110. Alright, here we go. Attempt number 3. Kawasaki Bayou versus John Deere D110. Go, boys. Switch drivers. Here goes Matt on the John Deere, T-Wiggle on the Kawasaki Bayou 220. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, Bayou. Oh, the John Deere's making a comeback. Oh, mercy. Oh, all right. How do you feel about that little wheelie, Tristan?
That was a good wheelie. This Bayou has some power, but it just didn't have enough weight in the front to bring Matt down.
Yep.
Sorry, I'm fat.
All right. I don't know what that is. We'll have to look back at the videos and see what I think the Bayou's definitely got it beat. Unless it dies, then the John Deere overtakes. So we're gonna give it to the Bayou. I think it's a pretty stout little machine. Next video will be Bayou versus Mule.
Alrighty, fellers, we got Kawasaki Mule versus Kawasaki Bayou.
Count down.
Here we go. Who y'all got? 3, 2, 1, go!